How to use Hinge for productivity. If you want to use the Hinge app productively, there are various steps that you can choose to follow. The first is to focus on profile quality, selective engagement, and efficient communication to move on from in-app chats to in-person dates quickly. The goal is to minimize the time spent on the app while maximizing the chance of finding a quality match. In order to do this, your profile must be very authentic. It must be a complete, honest profile which attracts genuine people interested in you. You must also want to use some curative or high quality photos that is taken from your camera, and it is good quality and it has also got decent clarity. In this case, you can use prompts which can answer in unique, interesting ways that can spark a conversation, and you can set a clear deal breakers as well. These are some of the ways that you can in order to use Hinge productively. Hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.